Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the shadow ban on your TikTok account. Thank you for caption.ai provide us this article. So here we go. 5 potential reasons why you got a shadow banned on TikTok. So for example, you post adult content like nudity, illicit acts, or violence. TikTok has flagged your account for bullying or harassment of other users. You've committed copyright infringement, meaning you've used someone else's intellectual property, like music, without permission. 4. You've promoted dangerous acts like stunts people shouldn't do at home. 5. TikTok sense you've been engaging in spammy behavior, like binge liking or asking other users to buy things. So if you think you've been shadow banned but haven't followed these guidelines, a TikTok could have banned your account incorrectly. So there is also a chance there is a different reason behind your low number. So this is content violation. And how to get unshadow banned? So you can remove flagged content. While TikTok will not inform you you've been shadow banned, it will notify you of flagged content. So video that go against the community guidelines, you can remove any flagged TikTok so your account fully complies with the app's content posting rules. So you can remove it. And read the community guidelines, learn about community guidelines to aware. Maybe you have broken rules without realizing it. Maybe you upload a copyright music, then you can reinstall the TikTok and wait. After you delete any rule-breaking content from your account, you can delete and reinstall the TikTok app. So this gives the system a chance to reset and remove the ban. Then adjust your content. If you still feel like your followers are not seeing your content, so it could be a different reason than a shadow ban. So you can use the opportunity to switch things up. So you can create experiments. All you need is change for your audience and algorithm to find your video and give them boost. So here we go. You can stay clear. Be aware of TikTok shadow bans. Don't make video that include excessive violence or sexuality and so on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.